So with this project, Manta, it was a different way of producing materials and joinery. It went into natural materials. Unique with its raw material. I don't think you're going to get anything to replicate this in any time soon. It's pretty difficult to replicate something that comes from a tree. You're not going to get the same tree ever again. Selecting a piece of rock will never be the same. But yeah, no, beautiful space. So we received a set of drawings from the architect. We'll review them and go through them. We then set up a meeting with the architect to go through the concept and review, learn the story of the project, and how we can work in with the architect to make sure that the design meets their vision. Working with the designers, Kim and Tom from Humble, was really nice, pleasant experience. They're welcome to our suggestions and ideas, and collaborating with them was fantastic. Our client, Vincent, super special guy. He's put his heart and soul and effort and every little cent into this project. Using these natural timbers, it's all been a new big learning curve for us too. It's been a fun adventure. Meeting new people, working with Adam from AIM and selecting slabs. Even learning the process of how it all goes and works. From getting the tops levelled to sanding, and there's a lot of preparation that goes into the slabs before they are finished. We had certain pieces of timber for tabletops sitting in a kiln for 2 weeks. And just seeing the process of all that has just been really, really exciting. We've also met another timber supplier down in Hastings where we had some slabs put through a big drum sander as a quicker and easier way of flattening. So there's a lot to learn in using these natural timbers, but giving a great outcome. And getting them prepared and ready before we send them off to Steve, our finishing guy. He's another one of these crazy nutted old blokes that loves his timber and loves polishing, and he does a lot of French polishing. He's just, yeah, really loves his craft and creates something really beautiful. It's, it takes our raw sample, our sanded slab, and turns it into something beautiful. The old rock. This was a great challenge, the little rock that we thought was a little rock. You know, someone that said it was somewhere between 600 and 900 kilo happened to be a 1.2 tonne. It was a bit of an effort getting in position. But that's just another little challenge we loved. But the bigger challenge was actually creating the templates to do the cutouts in the timber, and also the glass shelving that's going to be suspended over the top of the rock. There was a lot of work involved there, creating the templates, actually putting them in position to the right heights, engaging the right clearances around the rock, and then mirror imaging that first design through the timber up the rock as it reduces in size to the glazing panels that are going to be suspended as well. I'm not afraid to have a go, and you only learn from having a go. I'm not one to stand around and ponder and twiddle my thumbs and think, nah. You got to dive in and just have a crack and work with it. I mean, it's like working with a natural timber, and we brought this beautiful piece of equipment. The knife that we use is a Japanese style design knife for carving the edges. It just happens. It's just a feel, I guess. It's definitely not your typical fit out. This is more crafted fit out, not your typical build. With the natural timbers, natural stone, everything from local quarries and timber suppliers. Yeah, it's definitely a beautiful piece to work with.